Okay guys, it's Smart Tech here once again and welcome to another video. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, like, share and leave a comment down below. If you are already subscribed, thumbs up and stick to the end. Here is how you can make a QR code for your Instagram account. To do this, open your Instagram app and tap on your profile and then tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the window like this, and then tap on QR code, and then our QR code has been generated successfully. So you can change it from color to emoji, then to selfie. So from here you can just make a screenshot of it or tap on the share button at the top right corner of the window to share it to your friends. This QR code is very helpful in the case that you may want to send your Instagram profile to someone, and then for you to be typing, it's kind of time taking, so you can just send them a QR code for them to scan and then get access to your Instagram profile automatically. Okay guys, that's been it. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Till we meet, I'm out.